Hey Cole,
Mr. Carp!
what'd we catch?
Mr. Carp!
It looks like we caught ourselves a nice big carp.
Holy cow!
We'll get them back in the water in a second. So we got about a 18, 19. He took my pole into the water. Cole had to catch the pole. But yeah, we got ourselves a little carp there. So here, wait, your hands are wet. Wipe your hands off. Wipe your hands off. Wipe them off. Are they, okay, you video. Don't drop the camera. Okay, so we're gonna unhook him. If he'll let me unhook him. Alright, I gotta go get my things. You can just video. Yeah.
This is my feet in the water. This is me throwing the carp into the water so he doesn't die.
I need to be able to take the hook out of him. You're getting the, look, you got the line twisted around all this.
Like I haven't before, Rob.
Yeah, I know. Look. Okay.
The only carp, the only fish we've caught this whole fish time.
But he put on a battle. Are you filming?
Yes.
Okay. Are you still filming?
Yes.
Oh dear. Okay, there we go. Dang it. Come on, bud. You got him?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you still taking pictures?
Mm-hmm.
There's the carp.
Mr. Carp!
Can you see him? Hold the camera the right way, Cole. Can you see him?
Yes.
There he is.
Can I pet him?
Yes, you can pet him.
Please.
Okay.
I'm getting a close-up on Mr. Carp.
Put the camera where we can see
Up.
it. Cole, why is the camera down at the ground? There.
I want to do a close-up of him.
Okay, that's it. We gotta let him go.
Bye, Mr. Carp.
Say bye-bye. Got him going? Looks good.